Fifth product on this list is the Artufting AT-06. Unleash your creativity with this versatile tufting gun that effortlessly transitions between cup pile and loop pile designs. Prepare to embark on a journey of crafting unique rugs and artworks that are destined to captivate. Included in this extraordinary kit are 10 exclusive tufting gun skin stickers. These stickers serve as your artistic signature, allowing you to personalize the machine and infuse it with your distinctive style. The result? A tool that becomes an extension of your creativity, a reflection of your individuality. Designed with your comfort in mind, this tufting gun boasts an ergonomically crafted 360-degree adjustable auxiliary handle. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to seamless, flexible operation. Weighing a mere 3 pounds, it ensures extended usage without any hint of fatigue. But it's not just about comfort, it's about efficiency. Witness a remarkable surge in productivity, a boost of 80 to 100 times when compared to traditional methods. Whether you're a newcomer or seasoned expert, the tufting gun caters to all skill levels. With customizable speed settings and the ability to handle multiple threads at once, it's your ideal companion on your creative journey. Safety and durability take center stage in our design philosophy, crafted from injection-molded ABS unibody construction. The tufting gun flaunts exceptional corrosion resistance and unwavering sturdiness. This tool is not just an investment, it's a lifelong artistic partner. And worry not about unexpected glitches. Our built-in protection system is at your service, guarding against short circuits, overvoltage, and overcurrent scenarios. So whether you're a devoted rug-making enthusiast or an artist hungry for fresh creative avenues, the Artufting welcomes you with unmatched efficiency, unwavering safety, and a universe of limitless artistic possibilities. Your journey to craft exceptional rugs and elevate your artistic endeavors begins here. Its pros are: it has a versatile design that switches between cup pile and loop pile effortlessly, allowing for diverse rug designs and artistic creations. It has 10 exclusive tufting gun skin stickers, enabling you to customize your machine's appearance, and it is equipped with a 360-degree adjustable auxiliary handle. However, it is a little complicated to use, so it may take some time for you to familiarize yourself with the machine's features. The Artufting AT-06 is a comprehensively designed unit and a must-have for both budding artists and seasoned rug makers. Up next